Here we go, fourth graders, on your next dinner menu. This is going to look a little bit different from the first one. So listen carefully to this explanation. So we're going to start with the main dish, which is again pizza. And for this one, you're going to make your own multiplication story. Where it says person 1 and person 2, you're going to use names. If you're going to use people in class, you have to have their permission that they're okay with it. So person 1 read for 20 minutes, person 2 read for blank. Choose a number between 0 and 9 that will give you an answer that is as close to 150 as possible, times as long. How long did person 2 read? Do a video for the problem that shows how to find the answer, or make a comic strip that shows how to solve the problem and the answer. So if you're going to do the video, make sure that you actually read the problem, and you may even want to write it out somewhere, maybe on your Chromebook or on the board, so that people know what you're going to do. Make sure that you have done any preparing before you do your video. I don't want to watch a 5-minute video of you erasing and writing things. Make sure that you pause and have things ready to go. So you can do this one either as a video or a comic strip. And again, make sure that the comic strip contains how to solve the problem and the answer. Now your side dish. Now it gets a little different, because your side dishes, I've added a few more, and you're just going to select from a choice of a couple. So this one is make a video where you choose either 16 or 20 and draw all the arrays, list all the factors for the number you chose. Or you make a Google slide where you choose either 16 or 20 and draw all the arrays, list all the factors for the number you chose. So you pick one of those for side dish 1. So you have to do side dish 1. You just have to pick one. Side dish 2, you're going to select one. Make a video explaining what makes a right triangle a right triangle. Use a Google slide to explain what makes a right triangle, and it could be Google Slides, really. So it could be more than one if you need to. Or write a song or rap that explains what makes a right triangle. You need a picture that shows what it looks like, too. Now we get to beverage. So I chose a milkshake because that's my favorite thing to get when I go out to eat. Make a video where you pick a number between 3 and 9 and list the first 10 multiples, explain how you found them. Make a song or rap where you pick a number between 3 and 9 and list the first 10 multiples, explain how you found them. Make a comic strip where you pick a number between 3 and 9 and list the first 10 multiples, explain how you found them. So part of your rap or song could even be explaining how you knew like 1 or 2 of the multiples. So that's something that you can play around with. And then dessert. Dessert is not optional this time. You must have dessert. So it is a picture of some cheesecake. Make a video where you teach someone about symmetry by drawing a shape that has at least one line of symmetry. Make a comic strip where you teach someone about symmetry by drawing a shape that has at least one line of symmetry. Make a song or rap about symmetry. You need to draw an example of symmetry. Any questions you have will be answered in group today. Bring your Chromebook.